Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to install Foxit Reader. Now go to your browser and open unite.com like this. Now under Documents, select Foxit Reader. Now scroll down and click Get your Unite. And as you can see, the file is now downloaded. Now you can click the exe file to start the installation. It's preparing the setup. The installation is complete. Now you can use this Foxit Reader to convert any file to PDF. To know more about converting to PDF, check the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.